Good morning, guys. What is going on? Riley here. Today we are at the SRT Track Experience at the Bondurant Racing School in Phoenix, Arizona. So today we're going to be getting to drive, I believe, some maybe SRT Durangos and Challengers and Chargers and Hellcats and all that fun stuff on a racetrack, getting to learn different techniques about car control and stuff like that. So I am really looking forward to today. I've been looking forward to this for, I think I bought my little ticket thing like 6 months ago. Actually, I take that back. I actually didn't buy anything because this is actually included with the purchase of any SRT vehicle product. So if you buy a Hellcat or even a SRT Jeep Grand Cherokee or Trackhawk, a Demon, this is included in that price. So today it is 100% free to be here. Just had to pay for my plane and hotel. But just to give you guys an idea of what we are working with, so we got a bunch of Challengers out there with a couple Durangos over here. The parking lot's kind of funny. It's like either you bring a Hellcat or you bring a rental car. You can tell who lives close and who does not. And we got more Chargers over there. I mean, this is gonna be just an awesome day. Can't wait to share this with you. And look at this man walking towards us right now. Dad, Dad, how are you?
Good, son.
Hey, what are we doing?
We're gonna drive, what is it? It's a weird Arizona animal. We're gonna drive some cars on the skid pad and stuff and learn some things.
Learn some things.
Yeah.
Perfect. I like that. Well, I do believe I have found my happy place. You can see back there, there's, you know, a handful of Hellcats, more Hellcats, a racetrack. Just keep going all the way around. More over here, and then a Demon. Man, this is gonna be such an awesome day.
As he enters the turn, his wheels turn more and more and more, but the car doesn't seem to respond as well. So this is called understeer.
All right, so first up, we're gonna be doing some lane change exercises in the 392 Challenger with Dad here.
I'm your instructor here today, so go ahead and start the vehicle.
Sir, do you know what you're doing?
Not at all.
Cool, me either. Just see what happens here.
Nice and smooth.
45 miles per hour. Slam on the brakes. Nice. Brimbos work. Now we just casually sit at the red light. Time to go. Time to brake. Time to go. Brake. Go.
That's awesome.
That's cool.
I didn't know they were gonna do that.
Trolls. All right, we got Daddy Mush driving.
Going up to a whopping 35.
All right, watch out for walls.
Which one are they gonna give me?
Right. Nailed it. Great driving.
Thanks.
You can tell the YouTube commenters to screw off. You know what you're doing.
Yeah, I can turn at 35 miles an hour, bitches.
All right, so now we are going to do an autocross inside of a SRT Durango. What could go wrong here? But I'm looking forward to this. This should be pretty fun. All right, so if you want to look behind us, as you can see, so this is a SRT Durango. So we got 3 rows of seats in here. The back ones are folded down, but I mean, this is like autocrossing a van on steroids. And I actually really like the interior. It's really nice, real comfortable. Quick little review of the Durango. But yeah, we're about to do our first timed run, and then at the end of the day, we're gonna see who has the fastest time autocrossing a dad wagon. So we'll see what happens. Turn, Betsy. There we go. You guys could see SRTMUSH's face that entire run. Literally just giggling like a little kid. That's awesome.
Oh, I mean, it has surprisingly pretty decent grip.
It's actually not bad.
Yeah.
It really is not. All right, so now is probably going to be my favorite part of the day. We get to do some essentially lead follow hot lapping here in a Hellcat. So we'll be following a Hellcat Charger. Now there's 5 yellow Hellcats here. They're all manuals. There are 5 white Hellcats back there. They're all automatics. Mr. SRTMUSH and I have elected to go with the manual and the first car up because they said, if you think you know what you're doing, go to the front. So our stupid selves went to the front.
And basically you have an instructor leading the way and we follow them. So we're gonna have Riley drive first, let him get the car nice and warmed up before I wreck it into a wall. A little too hard. You didn't like it. How's your lunch? I'm good. Why does it keep doing that? Oh, that's funny. Now, to fully graduate from the SRTMUSH driving school, you see that wall over there? Do I hit it? Just go straight for it. Okay. Through the gears. Very well done, young man. Very well done. Thanks, Dad.
All right, well, I had my fun in the Hellcat. Now we got SRTMUSH gonna give her a rip.
Are you worried?
I mean, you know there's 3 pedals down there, right?
Yeah, 2 brakes and 1 gas, right?
Something like that.
Yeah.
You'll figure it out. You'll be fine.
I know that the one, like when you press the furthest one on the left, you're supposed to go like this.
Yeah.
So, I don't know what, I think it clears the automatic transmission fluid out.
It's 102 degrees outside. We got the intake temp up to 177, so it's pretty toasty out here in Phoenix, Arizona. We're out in the middle of a desert.
Send it. They're about a quarter of a track behind us. Oh wow, they are.
Well, I would say driving the Hellcats was pretty darn cool, but I wish that I would have done this about a year or 2 ago when they actually did the hot laps and the lead follow laps in Dodge Vipers. So that would have been really cool. But man, I love these cars so much. One day I will have one, but might be a while. Gotta get married, buy a house, and do all that fun stuff first. But one day.
Excuses.
Mad Viper said to hell with the one day, and he already got one.
You got a life, you just get one anyway.
We are now watching a pair of Daytona Chargers with these little skid things equipped to them, and that's kind of what it looks like right there. But yeah, as you can see, you try to go around the corner. It's kind of an interesting little contraption what they have built here that I don't really know whose idea this was, but pretty cool. It can kind of elevate on different corners, put more pressure down, and then send your car into all kinds of spins, and well, it's your job to figure out how to get out of it.
What you're going to do is you're going to look for the 2 green cones.
So now we are doing some hot lapping. My goodness, they got 4 manual Hellcats with professional race car drivers about to give us the ride of our lives.
driving, man.
Hey, thanks, man.
That was awesome.
You did really good earlier.
Hey, thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Good driving.
All right, you guys, well, as you can tell, my voice is slowly just disappearing as the day goes on. But man, I have had so much fun here today. It's seriously been a blast. And the fact that this is included with the purchase of any SRT product, I mean, like, I'm here for free. I've had to pay for a plane and hotel, but that blows my mind that anybody can come do this, and it's so much fun. Also, I just wanted to point out, earlier on the Autocross with the Durangos, your boy got second place by 0.02 of a second. I mean, it doesn't get much closer than that, so I thought that was pretty cool getting second place. I don't know, it's kind of weird to say you did good autocrossing a Durango, but I'll take it. But seriously, I'm leaving today with a lot of new knowledge about racing. I love doing these track days where you get to learn so much valuable information about, you know, just cornering, understeer, oversteer, and then actually getting to, you know, try it out and firsthand experience on a track or in a controlled environment like this. It's so cool. And man, so many people underestimate these cars. Like doing that hot lap with the professional drivers, yeah, they're professionals, but these cars, they actually handle really, really well. It's very surprising. You guys aren't giving these things enough credit, but seriously, a Hellcat can definitely handle just as well as just about anything, within reason, that is. But just wanted to go ahead and finish up the video. As you can tell, my voice is really fading now, but I want to give a huge shout out to all the guys here at the Bondurant Racing School, everybody that we dealt with today, just full of smiling faces. Everybody was happy to be here. Anyways, everybody was happy to be here and just super friendly people and very just laid back. So it was really a pleasure to be here, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Seriously, I'm gonna try to figure out a way to come back here. I know they do multiple day classes where you can actually pay money to come do that. So I may end up back here at some point. This was really cool. But thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you on the next one. Take it easy. SRT, 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 rental car, SRT.